Cúpla Frása nua nach gluisiún Dominic ó Folmore. Ibrahim os Rude, meaning since, but not since last Tuesday or whatever, but more so since in terms of because or due to. Since you weren't here yesterday, or seeing that you weren't here yesterday, os Rude nach rautu an so inye. Few meaning even. He was there even on Sunday, vishan shin few air on downlock. Be careful though, because if you're saying even though, it's going to be keigo. Keigraume and shin, even though I was there. Iver 3, vun me sor tatnavas, I really enjoyed it. So instead of just vun me tatnavas, if we want to add very to that sentence, we can add sor, or we can also add ord. Vun me ord tatnavas, I really enjoyed it. Agus iver cahar, hui sé I bhaim it impressed me, or just it affected me. Essentially anything that has a kind of impact on you, but tends to be used more so in the positive sense. So hui sé a bhaim it impressed me. Hui sé a bhaim go mór it really impressed me. La ha wadni smo, dírcha sul le seo, bí adwal patreon.com/learnirish online.